we've been asked to provide a further demonstration of how you might control line weights within a zone such as we showed in the earlier movie. Just to reiterate, if we go and look here at line weights, the default line weight's been set at 0.09, and that works really well on an A2 sheet, as you saw in the earlier video. So that's the default setting. Let's imagine that we wanted to make the paving bricks through here quite bold, but not as bold as we see here. The reason that that is bold is we showed, if you went here, can you see that the paving is set at a default value of 0.25, or the line weight of that layer is set at 0.25. I'll just demonstrate and print that one to show that it's really quite heavy. So let's print, and we'll OK that. So we're making a PDF file. We'll overwrite the one on the desktop that's already there, and then we'll use View and Zoom, marquee zoom, and zoom in on this space. Can you see that's really quite heavy? How do you manage to make the pavers less dense or not stand out quite as much? Remembering that all of the other line work through here is being controlled by the default line weight setting. So if we come back here, and if we select, I need to go into model space. Remember, we put the paving on a layer called paving, and it's currently set to 0.25, and it's too heavy. So the quick way to deal with that is to isolate the paving layer, and here it is. So we can grab all of the paving, and we can say, let's change its thickness now, its line weight if you like, away from default, and we've got the default in the print set at 0.09. Let's make it twice as thick. Shouldn't be quite as heavy as we saw earlier, and so that's now done. And we can come back here and show the symbol layer and layer 0. Now when we go here and we print again, we'll OK that. I'm just leaving the print zone set, so we see the same view each time. Sorry, I left it open. We'll now retry, and there we are. If we now use View and marquee zoom and look at that area, can you see the paving is not overwhelming the other thickness? So can you see that you can ring the changes to get the sort of subtlety that you want in the finished print? So I hope that helps. We'll call this one Part 2 and go back and rename the other one Part 1.